Forensic Sciences at USW is an opportunity for you to do the evidence analysis, but to also understand all the complexity as to why something has happened. The Forensic Science course balances crime scene investigation with laboratory analysis. It has a biology theme and a chemistry theme. So as an overview, it allows the students to understand the science prior to analysis, but also after analysis. We have a range of facilities. We have an entire house that we can set up for crime scenes. We've got state-of-the-art machinery in our laboratories. We also have a moot court, but then we also have professionals from the field delivering the content. So a lot of our graduates generally go into laboratory-based employment, working either as reporting scientists in a genetics lab, toxicology lab. We do have students who generally decide on the course, am I lab or am I scene?